In this video, you will learn how to prepare and replace calibration solutions without any additive or DosiCapZip on the ABL800 analyzer. Unscrew the lid from the new solution container. Remove the used container. The analyzer will automatically display the recording fluid replacement screen. Scan the new container's barcode. Check that correct information appears on the screen. Place the new container into the analyzer. Restart the analyzer. You have now seen how to prepare and replace calibration solutions on the ABL800 analyzer.